Gohan? You're still alive?
We'll fix that soon enough. Kill him. Full power.
Gohan! It can't be. Gohan! Gohan! Oh, it's you, huh? This scroll? Right here? In it, everyone was wiped out by 17 and 18. Even Gohan, who was the last to go. If Mom hadn't built that time machine, then I, and everyone else in the world, would be...
I can't say that I approve of building a machine that can fiddle around with history.
Yeah.
Oh well, no sense in crying over spilled milk, I always say.
No! Not this history, too! We need to act fast!
Trunks!
Yeah!
You understand, right?
I do. Then, good luck.
I will destroy the son of Goku.
Damn it! He's even stronger than the others. I'll do what I can. You have to get out of here. Hurry!
I will destroy whoever interferes with me.
16? That's prolonging this time.
You're really strong. Thanks. I had no idea there were any decent fighters. But there couldn't be. I've noticed that. You feel strength like yours. From anywhere on the planet. Where did you even come from?
So, you're just full of instinctive, aren't you? So powerful. Fine fuel to further my evolution.
There's no way he's strong enough to beat Mira. After that fight with Android 16, the two of you together still don't have a chance.
Who's this guy? How's he so strong?
I'll put you up your misery very soon.
Go on, Will. Damn it. Hey, what are you doing? Stop!
You're not going to get your way today, Mira!
Trust.
Trunks! What are you doing? I thought you... But that can't be. Wait a minute. You...
You know you can't do this!
I'm sorry, but I just can't abandon Gohan!
So stubborn!
Why can't I beat you? Even against 3 of you. I am far stronger. I must be.
I won't let you kill Gohan!
Trunks, you came from the future, didn't you? So Bulma was able to finish her time machine. I'm really proud of you, Trunks.
Thanks.
Right. It's not the time for this. 17 and 18 are attacking the city.
You're right. And this time, Gohan... Gohan, I'll go with you to fight. This time, I won't hold you back.
What are you saying? You know you're not allowed to do that, Trunks! If you help out Gohan here, you'll change the course of history!
I know. But
Trunks?
Please, you have to stop Trunks!
Trunks, is there something you want to tell me? If you're here, all grown up, then the future is safe, isn't it? And so, this fight has a real purpose. That's enough for me.
No! You can't! Gohan!
Trunks, it looks like you've made a good friend. You can't abandon a good friend, can you? It's really good to see you, Trunks.
Gohan!
You did well today.
That was a heavier bit of history for him than I'd realized. I was careless. But I didn't think he'd just take off like that. If he'd actually gone through with the whole thing, well, it would be one more mess to clean up. And that'd be even more difficult. I'm glad you were there. Thank you.
I think Trunks could really use a break after this one. I'll keep an eye on the scrolls for a little while.
I'm afraid you'll have to do the work of 2 for a while. Sorry about that.
Oh, there you are. Well, it seems there's still a bit of a problem left over from that last change in history.
It would seem that Android 16 wasn't entirely defeated.
He's not supposed to be in that timeline at all. Someone activated him and then revived him.
It must be Toa. I'm sure 16 is going to be even stronger than before. Can you handle this for us?
Thanks. You're a huge help.
We actually made it back. We're in my era. No matter what, I have to bring peace here. What is 16 doing? Something isn't right.
Destroy.
The farm was powerful with 16. He's been powered up somehow. We'll have to defend Trunks in this fight.
You're in your perfect form?
Funny you should ask, really. You might be interested to know that I am Salt 1718.
Only 17 and 18? But that's impossible!
And also, how is it that you know my name? Oh, wait. I don't. You went to the past. That's the only explanation for it. And you know so much about it. Oh, did you bring your little friend along for the ride? Is he here from the past, too? I'm warning you. Interfere, and I'll exterminate you. You know what? Good. I had already planned on eliminating every last human from this planet anyway. Target, Trunks. So it would seem that this stranger is my ally. You know, to be honest, I didn't think there were any more androids left alive.
As long as you're here, humanity has no future. But your reign of terror ends today!
Shut up, amateur.
Listen up, androids! I will completely annihilate you! It's all finally over. Everyone. I have to thank you, too.
Ah, you're back.
Good work. You did a fine job. Trunks.
I'm sorry I acted so rashly back there.
Just don't do it again. I understand how you must feel, but I can't allow you to do things like that. It's dangerous.
Yeah. And I owe you an apology, too. I'm really sorry. That, and thank you for all you did.
Gohan? You're still alive?
We'll fix that soon enough. Kill him. Full power.
I will never die. Even if my body breaks. Another will rise in my place. To dismantle you heartless androids.
Go on!
Are you sure? It looks like history has been slightly altered.
A change like that will vanish when I put the scrolls together. But still, maybe I should leave it.
Well, you don't think a little change like that would do any harm, do you? Let's just let that one slip by.
You gotta be kidding me!
So it works! No! Cell absorbed both 17 and 18 at the same time and attained his perfect form!
That's not what happened before?
It isn't. Before, he absorbed 17 and later 18.
But last time, he absorbed them both, right?
Yes, but the order of things is different. Cell saw how much stronger my dad and I became in the hyperbolic time chamber. So, to test how strong Goku and the rest of us could get, he devised the Cell games. But if he's already achieved his perfect form, I don't think the Cell games will happen.
Well, that sounds like trouble. Why don't you pop in and pay Cell a visit? You're far stronger than you were back then, so that might get his attention.
This is getting ridiculous.
Wait, with all these changes, does that mean Krillin and Android 18 won't get married?
Huh? Is that possible?
It is! Please, you can be so dense! Anyway, it's time to get to work. Trunks will be able to lend you some support on this one.
Alright. I'm familiar with this part of history, so I'll be happy to guide you.
That's true. You're the worst with romance stuff. But you do know how to punch things.
Could you lay off that for a while, please?
Yeah. Anyway, do your best out there.
I only want to know Goku's location. Will you tell me or not?
You want to know, so you can go kill him. I won't betray him by telling you.
Then our fight will continue. Until you change your mind.
This long awaited. Now I'm united 17 and 18, and it takes my good. No.
You have to get away from here. 17 will not listen to you.
But what about you, 16?
I will destroy 7.
What?
It is time for me to fight. Though I have not yet.
Why are you so eager to throw your life away? Do you really have that little regard for your own life?
What are you doing, 16? You aren't really going to fight, are you?
There is no other option.
Right time. 16 and 7 beat the power. But now, Cell is far stronger than you. You have to give 16 a hand here.
I never knew you were this strong. 16! This is amazing!
Are you still here? I thought I told you to run, 18. 17, now is your chance. You have to get away.
Don't get shy. He's got a...
I'll end your misery. Now face me.
It's your funeral, pal.
Welcome back. Great work out there. You stopped history from changing again. I'm impressed.
We can't say they all lived happily ever after, though.
Huh?
In the end, Cell absorbed androids 17 and 18 and attained his perfect form, right?
Yeah.
But that's the original flow of history. We can't change that. What concerns me more is that we haven't seen Toa or Mira yet this time. One thing is clear. You can be sure this won't be the end. We need to keep a close eye on the timeline.
Don't worry. Leave that to me. You should go and rest for a while. Thanks for everything.
People of Canton City, have you been to the Hero Coliseum yet?